Hello and welcome to Noble Learners, an online tutoring platform spreading knowledge. So we are going to discuss a question of trigonometry. The question says 1 plus sine 2x, and you need to verify this one. This is a kind of identity what you need to verify. So you need to make this equal to sine x plus cosine x whole squared. So this is a easy question. Let us understand there are the two formulas what we have to understand in order to solve this question. First of all, when we are talking about sine 2x, it has a formula that is 2 times sine x into cosine x. This is the formula. And there is one more formula, there is one more trigonometric identity. By the way, this is the double angle formula for sine, and there is a trigonometric identity, the first identity, very famous. Sine square x plus cosine square x is going to make 1. So this is what you need to understand. If you know these two formulas, you will be able to solve this question. There is third formula as well. This is also very simple. A plus b whole square. So you know a plus b whole square, this is going to make a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the prerequisite knowledge what you should have in order to verify this identity. This could be called left hand side LHS, and this could be called right hand side RHS. So either you have to prove RHS is equal to LHS or LHS is equal to RHS. So if I see the RHS looks more complicated, so I'm going to take the RHS and I'm going to prove equal to LHS in order to verify this given identity. So let's start. So I'm taking the RHS, right hand side, and that right hand side is sin x plus cosine x whole squared. So we can use this formula a plus b whole square in order to expand that. And this is going to make sine square x plus 2 times sin x into cosine x. So the formula is a square. So I just squared the sine, then 2ab. So I have written 2 and then sin x and then cosine x. Okay. And then plus b squared. That means cosine square x I'm going to write. Okay. And after that, I can segregate these two. I can use the commutative property when the things are in addition, then they could be rearranged. So I'm just rearranging. I'm writing sine squared x plus cosine square x together. And then I'm just writing 2 times sin x into cosine x. Now, if you see very carefully, sine square x plus cosine square x is going to make 1. So just going to replace it by 1. This is the formula what I told you in the beginning of the class. And after that, you have 2 times sin x into cosine x. This is nothing but the double angle formula of sine. So you could write simply sine 2x. Now you compare to your LHS, the left hand side. Now they both are equal. So you have taken the RHS and you have proved equal to your LHS. So this is equal to LHS, and hence your identity, your question is verified. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up. And if you are looking for an online tutor for mathematics or any other subject for US curriculum, whether that is pre-calculus, algebra 2, AP calculus AB or AP calculus BC, then you can go to the website of Noble Learners. We have well educated and qualified tutors who are from IITs and different prestigious institutions of India. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead. See you in a next video with a different question.